Alright, so here's the side-by-side comparison of the DC model versus the DCC conversion. Here I have the iPhone 6 speaker. I had to trim it just a little bit for it to fit inside of this cavity right here. And then I just ran the wire along to the decoder in the back. And the original DC board has diodes in it, so the headlight doesn't go on in reverse. So what I did was I cut all of these diodes off flush and just removed the wires from the board and just use it as a base plate for the decoder. I just put some double-sided tape, foam tape, and some Kapton tape on the outside just to keep it down inside the shell. There's plenty of room, but it's a Tsunami Tsu-1000, so there's probably smaller ones on the way in the future. So, but plenty of room for all of this. I don't think anything other than this speaker would have worked as far as without having to make its own speaker box or whatever. So I think this was $290 or whatever. So for the sound that you get out of it, it's pretty good. I think it has a tweeter. I don't know what the separate. It's like a smaller metal part right here and a bigger one right here. But yeah, so I'll get the shell on the digital one and we'll start it up. Alright, now if you listen very closely, you can hear the second prime mover start after the first one. Let's have a listen. That's nice. And I'm probably not going to edit that out. Well, that's what I get for having dirty track. But I think you get the point. So that's basically it. Nothing really special, just thought I'd share.